Yes, sir.
నాన్ కాంట్రాక్టల్ pustule. ఆప్షన్స్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? డయాటమ్స్ ఇచ్చాడా ఇక్కడ?
No, sir. He gave dinoflagellates, euglenoids, sporozoans, ciliates.
Dinoflagellates.
So what does that pustule mean, sir?
Specialized structures, Nana. These are the specialized bodies. They are found in the answer. Ade ichada?
Yes, sir.
These are the specialized bodies found in not all members. Certain members only they can present these pustules.
Okay, sir.
They either floating purpose, flow, sinking purpose, they play important role.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Animal characters in Euglena are presence of pellicle.
cell wall absent.
No, sir. Options. Presence of pellicle, which is made up of proteins.
Pustule అంటే ఇంకొకటి, it also plays very important role in osmoregulation అని కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు. అంటే floating and osmoregulation. ఓకేనా?
Yes, sir.
చెప్పు.
Characters. One is presence of pellicle made up of proteins. Presence of longitudinal binary fission. Presence of photosensitive structures and contractile vacuole. All of the above.
Animal character అడిగావా?
Yes, sir.
All of the above కాదు. ఓకేనా? థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ ఏంటి? ఫోటోసింథటిక్ పిగ్మెంట్.
Photosensitive structures.
ఫోటోసెన్సిటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ ఉంటాయి రిలేటెడ్. ఇంకోటి చెప్పు.
No, sir. That is presence of photosensitive structures and contractile vacuole.
Okay. Second option.
Presence of longitudinal binary fission.
కాదు.
First option, presence of pellicle, which is made up of protein, not cellulose.
Presence of, here in this case, presence of pellicle is an animal character. Presence of stigma means photosensitive, paraflagellar body. These are also animal character. Presence of contractile vacuole, that is also animal character. Longitudinal fission also animal character. అంటే నువ్వు ఇంకోటి ఫస్ట్ ఇంకేమన్నా? ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్
presence of pellicle, which is made up of proteins and
all of these. నేను ఫోటోసింథటిక్ పిగ్మెంట్స్ అనుకున్నా.
Okay, sir, but photosensitive structures are present in plants, no, sir?
No, who told you?
Sir, sunlight.
No, they are also present in animals.
Okay.
They are present, all of these. Whereas animal character is the presence of plant character is the presence of chloroplast with chlorophylls and carotenoids. Okay na?
Yes, sir. So only that one character, no, sir?
Plant character, presence of pellicle. Animal character, presence of pellicle, presence of stigma, presence of what is that? Contractile vacuole. Okay na? And presence of longitudinal binary fission. These all are the animal characters.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what's
Next.
the use of photosynthetic structures in animals, sir?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Time over, huh?
Yes, sir.
We haven't.
Okay. You can read.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Tomorrow I will explain the stigma, photosensitive structures.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ra.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Egg morning. All joined, still joining,
Still joins.
Still joining, sir. 160.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, in basidiomycetes, why do we have two types of mycelium, sir? Monokaryotic and eukaryotic.
Monokaryotic mycelium, it is also known as primary mycelium. It is formed directly by the germination of basidiospore. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Which is short-lived.
Why, sir?
Nature, that is. Immediately, as soon as it is formed, it undergoes sexual reproduction, somatogamy. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
That results in formation of dikaryotic or secondary mycelium. Once the secondary mycelium is formed, it degenerates. Okay, na?
Yes.
Secondary mycelium gives rise to fruiting body, basidium, basidiocarp. Basidiocarp produces sexual spores called basidiospores.
Basidiospores.
They release and they germinate and gives rise to
Monokaryotic.
again by monokaryotic mycelium of plus and minus strain fused to form
Dikaryotic mycelium.
So, which is the dominant phase?
Dikaryotic mycelium.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Whereas in ascomycetes, only fruiting body is dikaryotic in nature. Normal vegetative phase is monokaryotic. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Viruses, viroids, prions. These all are
Acellular,
are
non-cellular.
Non-cellular.
no place in Whitaker's.
Five kingdoms.
Classification.
So there is no description. There is no place of these organisms. Okay, na? And also
Lichens.
Cellular.
which of the following do not have any place in Whitaker's five kingdom system of classification? A. Viruses, viroids, lichens, all of this.
All of this.
All of these.
Which of the unicellular organisms do not have any place in five kingdom system of classification? Viroids, lichens, bacteria, both 1 and 2.
Viroids.
Right.
Which of the following cellular organisms do not have any place in Whitaker's five kingdom system of classification? Lichens, viruses, prions, all of these.
Lichens.
Follow, no?
Yes.
Acellular means viruses, viroids, and prions. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Cellular organisms which do not have any place in five kingdom system.
Lichens.
That you must remember. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Viruses discovered by, first identified by, observed by a Russian scientist called Ivanovsky. So Ivanovsky, what he observed in a tobacco plant, is suffering from which disease?
Mosaic disease.
Mosaic.
Disease. Tobacco mosaic disease caused by tobacco mosaic virus. Okay, na? Tobacco
Excuse me, sir.
caused by bacteria, na? Fungi, yeah?
Sir,
Virus,
excuse me.
pardon, please.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Ask now.
Sir, we missed yesterday class, so can you please revise fungi for us?
No, afterwards. First you come. After this, if time is there, I will explain. Okay, na?
Okay.
First you concentrate on this. Afterwards, I will explain. Okay? Ivanoskite. Ivanoskite. First identify the. What do you identify the?
Viruses.
Virus.
Viruses.
Viruses. But he was not given these are the viruses. He was not aware of this is the virus. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ivanoskite. What he did? What did this fellow? From the leaves of mosaic plant, extracted the sap fluid. Okay, na?
Yes.
Good. And he used bacterial filters. Which filters?
Bacterial filter.
Bacterial filters.
Bacterial filters are used for
Bacteria.
Bacteria.
bacteria means what he will do?
Identification.
For retaining the bacteria, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
For retaining bacteria, to hold the bacteria, they use the bacterial filters, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But this fellow thought that array, the mosaic disease in tobacco is caused by bacteria. So he used the bacterial filters. The fluid sap is slowly passing down to the bacterial filters. And he comes to conclusion that, oh, these are not bacteria. These are the microbes smaller than bacteria because they are passing through the.
Bacterial filter.
filters.
He used the term infectious
Filtering agents.
agents. Followed up? Followed up?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
These are something different. No, 100%. They are not bacteria. If bacteria means they would have eaten, but they are passing through the bacterial filters. That means these are some microorganisms smaller than the bacteria. These are used the infectious filterable agents. In which plant it causes disease?
Tobacco.
Tobacco.
Anyone having habit?
No, sir.
What is manufactured from
No.
tobacco?
Cigarettes.
Cigarette. If you smoke, what you will get?
Cancer.
Huh? It is smoky in nature, no?
Yes, sir.
Smoky. Ivanoskite. Smoky. Ivanoskite. Tobacco. Relation, you remember. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Smoky. Ivanoskite. Sky. Smoky. Like that, you can remember. Tobacco. Next. After that. In Hindus, what they will do sometimes when a mother is given birth to baby, for giving the name, they visit the
Temple.
temple. Huh? Who is available in temple?
Priest.
Priest. Pandit. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One fine day they visited the Pandit. Who is that Pandit? Pastor. Given the name
Virus.
for filterable agents. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
The name virus is given by Pandit, no?
Yes.
Pandit. Who is that Pandit?
Pasture.
Pasture.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. M. W.
Stanley.
Bejerink.
Pyloric. This fellow, what he said?
Contagium. Vivium fluid.
Contagium. Vivum fluidum.
Fluidum.
बोले तो he also
Infectious
extracted
Infectious
the,
living fluid.
he also extracted the liquid fluid from the infected tobacco plant suffering from which disease?
Mosaic.
Mosaic disease.
He applied on the,
Healthy plants.
so healthy plant also start showing the
Infection.
Symptoms.
infection symptoms. So it is a contagious, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Contagious. It is fluid in nature, no? This sap is fluid,
Yes.
no? He extracted solid
Yes,
material, no?
Yes,
Solid
sir.
material, sir. So he's believed that the mosaic disease is not caused by particulate matter, it is caused by
Fluid.
fluid, liquid fluid. And that liquid fluid is living one, that is
Contagious.
Contagious living fluidum.
so which country is contagious for us? Entire world shaking.
China.
Huh? China Nodra, Niyama.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
China is shaking. So these fellows got angry. Which fellow?
France.
And
There is a war versus China versus
France.
France.
China. One city name you tell me.
Beijing.
Beijing. Followed up? Beijing. China, Beijing versus France. Followed up?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Desiring describe contagion by one fluid. Correct? Huh? So how I am correlating? Contagious China, China fellow, Beijing. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Next. उल्टा करो.
WM.
WM. Stanley.
WM Stanley. Okay. What he did?
Isolated the tobacco.
MW. First M आता W आता.
M.
M. M आता.
First B आता S आता.
B.
B.
B M correlate कर. S later W later. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correlation बोल रहा हूँ मैं. समझ में आ रहा ना? उल्टा पुल्टा नको करो. Okay ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
RS पक्का you remember MW? MW? By the ring. Automatically you can remember WM. No? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you are remembering two, there is a chance of causing confusion. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
FW Stanley. What he did?
Crystallized.
Isolated tobacco.
Crystallized. Tobacco mosaic virus, no?
Yes.
And the protein coat is made up of it is proteinaceous nature बोले ना no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And the crystals consist of largely made up of protein
Proteins.
crystals are made. Protein crystals are mainly made up of proteins. Okay na? Who crystallized the tobacco mosaic virus?
WM Stanley.
WM
Stanley.
ये क्या है? Stanley crystallized. Okay na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Who crystallized? In crystal Stanley. If the options are there, so you go for like this. Okay na?
Yes.
Stanley.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay na? Like that you read. Okay? No virus have both DNA,
And RNA.
And RNA.
but viruses have either
RNA or DNA.
Either RNA or DNA.
virus is equal to nucleic acid plus
Proteins.
protein code. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Protein code is known as
Capsid. Capsid. Capsid.
nucleoprotein infectious agents are
Viroids.
Viri.
Viroids.
viruses. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Nucleoprotein infectious agents are viruses. Okay,
Virus.
na?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This nucleic acid covered and protected by
Protein.
Protein coat.
Protein code.
called
Capsid.
nucleic acid. Either it may be
RNA or DNA.
DNA or
RNA.
it may be double stranded or
Single stranded.
Single
Single
stranded.
stranded.
it may be single stranded or
Double stranded.
okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which of the plant viruses contain single stranded
RNA.
RNA.
as a genetic material. Most of the animal viruses.
Double
Double stranded DNA.
So viruses contain either RNA or DNA as a genetic material. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
All viruses having RNA as a genetic material. Huh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All viruses having DNA as a genetic material. Huh?
No, sir.
No,
Either DNA or RNA. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any doubt? Huh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
ये क्या है?
Viroids.
Viroids.
Viron is equal to virus minus
Protein code.
Protein.
Protein code.
protein code. But in reality, it is wrong. समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
From the virus, if you remove virus, protein code, it become viroid. Huh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. If a gen, if a virus the saree means it become female. Huh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Nowadays, females they are wearing t-shirts and jeans. They become male. Huh?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So to make you understand, shortcut, just I am explaining. Okay, na? But in reality, it's wrong, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So virus minus protein code is equal to.
Viroid.
Viroids.
So what is left now?
Nucleic acid.
Acid.
Which nucleic acid?
Either RNA or DNA.
Nyankama.
Single
RNA.
stranded RNA.
Always.
Single stranded RNA.
Stranded.
This is discovered by.
Diana.
के अंदर ही चाहे पूरा देखो. Viroid. Raw. R. RNA. D. Diner discovered. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you remember, here only you got the complete picture of viroids. Viroid,
Yes.
raw, RNA, only genetic material. Discovered by Diner. Okay, na? And
Yes.
this is viroids are smaller than,
Viruses.
Viruses.
and RNA has,
Low molecular weight.
and it causes diseases only in
Plants. Plants.
plants. Potato spindle tuber disease. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Potato spindle tuber disease is caused by,
Viroid.
Viroids.
follow na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये क्या है भाई?
Prion.
Prions.
Virus minus
Nucleic acid.
Nucleic acids.
is equal to protein.
Protein
Protein
code.
code.
P for
Protein.
Prociner.
protein.
Proteins.
Prions, yes, plural है ना, प्रूसिना. Okay ना?
Yes.
These are proteinaceous infectious agent now.
Yes.
P for proteinaceous infectious agent discovered by Prusina. Okay na? Any doubt?
No, sir.
P for proteins, P for Prusina. You got the information over. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion na?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
This causes disease only in
Animals.
right.
Plants. Plants.
Causes
Prions
only
are
in
animals.
Animals. Animals.
these fellows,
Both.
Both plants and animals.
Plants.
both plants and animals. Only plants,
Viroids.
Steroids.
only animals.
Prions.
Prions.
Example BSC. BSC बोलो तो
Bovine spongiform
Bovine
encephalopathy.
spongiform encephalopathy.
encephalopathy means related to which structure?
Brain.
Brain. Head region. Encephalic region means head, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Encephalopathy. Brain. Because of infection, what happens? The brain becomes prion infection से कैटल का ब्रेन कैसा हो गया? स्पॉन्जी पोरस. ओके ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Bovine
sir.
बोलो तो कैटल नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bovine means cattle. Cattle का ब्रेन कैसा हो गया? पोरस स्पॉन्जी नेचर. ओके ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
और कैसा रहता? पोरस नेचर रहता ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bovine spongy encephalopathy. As a result, what happened? The results in
Mad.
Mad cow
which is also known as which cow? Mad cow disease.
Mad cow.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you hit this cow suffering from the mad cow disease, and you will get human beings get which disease?
C.R. Jacob disease.
Yeah, Jacob disease.
Followed up?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Crutchfield-Jacob disease. Crutchfield-Jacob disease. So mad cow disease is homologous or analogous?
Analogous.
Analogous.
Analogous. That also they may ask. Okay na? Mad cow disease analogous to human disease CJD. Correct no?
Yes.
True,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
the paper written homologous bole to Govinda. Correct ah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mad cow disease is caused by polypeptide chain. Right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Right, sir.
Right, sir.
Why?
Proteins are made
Polypeptides are
up of
only
polypeptides.
proteins.
Amino acids are connected by polypeptides.
Viruses are caused by ribopolynucleotide chain.
Yes, sir.
Viruses, viral diseases. Viruses made up of either genetic material made up of either ribonucleotide or deoxyribonucleotide.
Ribonucleotide.
Which one?
Either deoxyribonucleotide or ribonucleotide.
Only peptide bonds are found in
Prions.
because
Prions.
the polypeptide chain between the amino acids, polypeptide bond is formed. Yes or no, Anna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
Phosphodiester bonds are found in only phosphodiester bonds.
Viral.
Both phosphodiester bond, peptide bonds.
Virus.
Virus. Protein coat is polypeptide, no?
Yes.
And phosphodiester one, DNA or RNA. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Such type of questions are also there may ask. Be careful. Okay, na? Can you tell few viral diseases?
Smallpox, influenza, measles, mumps.
In plants, sir. Leaf curling.
Leaf coloring.
Rolling and curling. What is given? Leaf rolling and curling. No? Next,
Vein clearing.
Stunted growth.
stunted, dwarfing, given. Yellowing or chlorosis. Tungro. These all are
Viral disease in plants.
Viral diseases in plants.
okay na? People may create. Which of the following is a plant disease? Vein banding, vein clearing, AIDS, polio. All of these.
Vein clearing.
Vein clearing.
Because I am asking, you are alert. That's why you are telling. Otherwise, you would have gone 50% student gone for the all of this. Yes or no?
Yes,
So be
sir.
careful. Be careful. Okay, na? Animal diseases. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Smallpox. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Measles, mumps.
Herpes.
Cold.
Influenza.
Okay, cold, flu. Next.
Mumps.
Herpes.
Dengue.
Small. Corona.
Okay. Okay, na? These all are the
Animal.
animal diseases, including human beings. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, aisa bhi puchte, how many of them are viral diseases? How many identify the disease caused by viri, disease caused by the prions, like that. Okay, na? Mismatch, like that they may ask. Possibilities are there. Okay, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In your textbook, there are two diagrams are given. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like this one diagram. It is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is tobacco mosaic vines. Okay, na? They will give this one. Identify. What you will identify this? Bolo.
Tobacco mosaic.
Tobacco mosaic.
Bacteriophage. Bacteriophage. Bacterium. Viroid. Virus.
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 Which virus?
Tobacco.
Tobacco
mosaic
mosaic
virus.
Virus.
This is known as
Capsid.
Capsid.
protein code called
Capsule.
Capsid.
capsid. And this capsid is made up of 2130.
Capsomere.
Capsomeres.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that, how many?
213, sir.
2, 1, 3.
How they are arranged? Symmetry.
Helically.
Helical or polyhedral?
Helical.
Helical symmetry. And genetic material is
RNA.
Single stranded RNA.
Single
Ah.
strand.
I want single stranded RNA. Don't tell RNA. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That is
Yes.
also equally called. Okay, na? This labeling you must remember. Next, bacteriophage. 4 labelings are given. Yes or no in your textbook?
Yes.
Yes,
4
sir.
labelings. Okay. Nothing is seen. Four labelings are given. Am I right? It is given a labeling.
Head.
Tail sheath. Sheath is given in them. Yes or no?
Yes.
Collar is given. Tail fiber.
Tail fibers.
Tail fibers.
So this labeling you must remember. Okay, na? Labeling is diagram is very important. It is hexagonal in shape, no? Hexagonal
sir.
or polygonal
Yes.
is. This is showing cubic symmetry. Which symmetry?
Cubic.
Icosahedral. Icosahedral symmetry. Icosahedral symmetry bole to this is contain, it is contain 20 faces, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 faces. And each face is equilateral triangle shape. Triangle shape. This type of symmetry is not icosahedral or cubic symmetry. And inside the head, what is present? Highly folded.
Double stranded DNA.
Tobacco mosaic virus.
Single stranded
Single stranded
RNA.
RNA.
Bacteriophage.
Double stranded highly folded DNA.
Followed by tail, a hollow tail that is covered by
Tail sheath.
both tail and head are connected at a region called
Collar.
Collar.
tail ends with a hexagonal
Tail plate.
Tail plate.
from each corner of hexagonal tail plate. What is arises?
Tail fiber. Tail fiber.
One tail fiber, one tail pin. Okay, na?
Yes.
Fiber pin. Pin fiber. Pin fiber. Fiber pin. Fiber pin. Pin fiber. Total how many? 6. Okay, na? Each corner. This is the hexagonal tail plate. Each corner. Tail fiber, tail pin. Tail fiber, tail pin. Like that. Okay, na? Any
Yes.
doubts? Any doubts are there? Now you can ask. This labeling part you must remember. The composite plants formed by algal and fungal components known as.
Lichen.
They show which type of association.
Symbiotic.
Fungal component is known as.
Phycobiont.
Phycobiont.
It is algal component. Fungal component.
Mycobiont.
Phycobiont perform.
Photosynthesis.
They are autotrophs. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mycobiont provides
Food and shelter.
shelter, not food.
Absorbs water and
Absorb mineral nutrients.
minerals. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So this fellow providing shelter to
Algal.
Algal compound.
Iron
and
component.
also providing supplying.
Water.
Water
And
and
Mineral
mineral
nutrients.
By taking this, it is preparing.
food.
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 So both of them are mutually benefited now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is very important. Very, very important. This point. Which work is doing? That is very important. Okay, na? They are showing symbiotic association, like wife and husband relationship, master and servant relationship. They are showing. Okay, and they do not grow in
Polluted areas.
Areas.
there are good pollination indicators, no?
Pollution in
Indicators.
Pollution or pollination.
Pollution.
pollution.
They grow very well in polluted areas, no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Cyanobacteria grows.
They do not grow in
Polluted
Polluted
areas.
areas.
if lichens are not present in polluted areas means it indicates that that area is if lichens are not found in areas, certain areas, so you can come to conclusion that it is polluted. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Even diatoms also good indicators of pollution indicators. Okay, na? Which one?
Diatoms.
Atom.
Diatoms also good pollution indicators. Okay. So they are very good pollution indicators means they grow very well in polluted
Or-
areas. So they do not grow
No,
in
it-
polluted areas.
They do not grow in polluted areas.
areas.
Okay. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, how are diatoms affected by pollution, sir?
Hmm?
How are diatoms affected by?
Marine habitat is highly polluted, no?
Yes, sir.
Oil pills, etc.
Yes, sir. So what happens, sir?
Which one? They
So-
cannot survive. They do not float. They sinks down. Okay, na?
Due to change in density, sir, of water.
Yes, na.
Okay.
Heavy metals, etc. accumulation, they cannot survive. Next. Kingdom,
Plant.
kingdom,
Animal. Yeah.
okay, na? These include, these are
Phototrophic.
chlorophyllus. Yes, sir?
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Chlorophyllus,
Autotroph.
these are
Non-chlorophyllous heterotrophic.
Heterotroph.
Heterotroph.
cell wall,
Absent.
plastics,
Absent.
right?
Present. Absent.
Mode of nutrition, zoophytic
Holotroph.
or absorptive. It is given absorptive mode of nutrition
Holozoic.
Holozoic.
or
Heterotroph.
ingestive. Okay, na?
Yes.
This is there in your book. I am not creating. Please. Okay, na? Growth pattern
Indefinite.
and localized. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Definite or determinate and diffuse. Yes, sir? In animals. Growth is definite or determinate or diffuse. Next, reserve food material.
Starch.
Reserve food material.
Glycogen of fats.
Okay, na? They do not show. Sorry. Elaborate. Elaborate. Sensory and neuro motor mechanism is absent or
Absent.
is present.
Present.
Okay.
Present.
This you remember. Any doubt?
No, sir.
These are the main difference. But exceptionally few plants are partial.
Heterotrophs.
Heterotrophs.
Which plants are given in your syllabus?
Venus,
Bladder
flytrap,
wort.
and pitches.
Insectivorous plants. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Nepenthes, Dionia, Drosera, Utricularia. Nepenthes common name.
Pitcher plant.
Pitcher plant.
Already we discussed. That's the full name I am writing. Dionia,
Venus flytrap.
Drosera,
Sandia plant.
Utricularia.
Bladder wort.
Bladder wort.
Okay, na? Actually, insectivorous plants are primarily,
Autotrophs.
secondarily,
Heterotrophs.
Heterotroph.
are primarily producers and secondarily consumers. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Cuscuta is a
Parasitic plant.
Complete stem parasite.
complete stem parasite. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sexually reproducing plant. They show two types of stages in their life cycle. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
GP बोले तो
Gametophyte.
Gametophyte.
gametophyte. SP बोले तो
Sporophyte.
Sporophyte.
which stage is concerned with sexual reproduction?
Gametophyte.
Gametophyte.
Gametes. Sporophyte.
Asexual.
Oh, okay. Applied stage.
Phyte.
Gametophyte.
Gametophyte.
Diploid.
Sporophyte.
Applied stage in the life cycle is.
Sporophyte.
Huh?
Gametophyte.
Diploid stage in the life cycle.
Sporophyte.
Sporophyte.
Gametophytic stage in the life cycle.
Haploid.
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 Gametophyte. Diploid stage, asexually reproducing stage in the life cycle.
Sporophyte.
Sporophyte.
Haploid sexually reproducing stage in the life cycle of a plant.
Gametophyte.
Gametophyte.
Diploid asexually reproducing stage in the life cycle.
Sporophyte.
Sporophyte.
Which plant body produces gametes?
Gametophyte. Sporophyte.
Gametophyte is fighting for
Nutrient.
gametes for sexual reproduction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sporophyte is fighting for
Meiospores.
production of meiospores. That's correct. Which is the dominant phase in non-vascular plants? There are two kinds of plants, no? Non-vascular and vascular plants. In non-vascular plants, gametophyte is dominant. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
What are non-vascular plants? Name them.
Algae, bryophyte.
Algae bryophyte.
Very, very, very good. In algae and bryophyte, which phase is dominant?
Gametophyte.
And which phase is dominant in vascular plants?
Sporophyte.
Sporophyte.
phase.
It includes
Pteridophytes,
Pteridophytes,
gymnosperms, and
Angiosperms and gymnosperms.
so there is a regular alternation of gametophytic generation with sporophytic generation, no, in the life cycle of plants.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is known as alternation of generation. Okay, na?
Yes.
What is alternation of generation? Alternation of
Gametophyte.
Gametophyte and sporophyte generation.
in the life cycle of a plant is known as.
alternation of generation.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, huh?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, in plants such as non-vascular plants and stuff like fungi also, sir, the sporophytic phase is mostly dominant, sir.
Sporophytic phase is dominant in vascular
Sorry,
plants.
gametophytic.
Algae, fungi, bryophyta. Non-vascular.
Yes, sir.
Gametophytic is dominant. Okay, na?
Why is that so, sir?
Hmm?
Why is it like that, sir? Is it to give significance to like procreation and
The
quickly reproduction?
origin, habitat, genetical reasons, environmental influence, these all contributes. Okay, na? As the evolution is progressed, gametophytic generation is replaced by sporophytic generation. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
And the highly evolved plants, angiosperms, sporophyte is most dominant, very well developed, more complex. Gametophytic generation is restricted to only few cells. Male gametophyte is just 3 cells. Female gametophyte is just 7 cell, 8 nucleated. See how highly reduced.
Yes, sir.
Fungi for other students tomorrow I will explain. Okay, Nana?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Hmm.
I have one doubt, sir.
Ingestive.
Number of flagella in diatoms, dinoflagellates, and euglenoids. Number of flagella in diatoms, dinoflagellates, and euglenoids.
If you take diatoms, main body, plant body, 0. If you take male gamete, 1. Uniflagellate. Dinoflagellates, 2. Euglenoids, 2. 1, 2, 2. Okay, na?
So once can you say for diatoms?
Diatoms, main plant body is 0. But in their life cycle, at the time of sexual reproduction, it produces uniflagellated male gametes. Okay, na?
Sir, so we'll consider 0, sir, for diatoms, if we say diatom.
Option is there are 0, 1, 0, 2,
0, 2, 2, it's there, sir.
Sir, like
1,
there's
2,
a
2.
T correction, sir.
1, 2, 2 is also there.
1, 2, 2 is there,
Yes,
and
sir,
0,
both.
2, 2 is there. sir.
It is ambiguous then. Ambiguous.
Okay.
Okay, we can consider because flagella is formed in the life cycle or not.
It is formed.
Sir.
For example, brown algae. Main plant body does not bear any flagella. Only asexual spores, zoospores and gametes. Only they possess flagella, 2 flagella.
Yes, sir.
So can I tell flagella formation is absent in the life cycle of brown algae?
No, sir.
Like flagella formation is absent in diatoms,
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
but formed during the time of gamete formation with 1. So 1, 2, 2. What is the answer?
1, 2, 2 they give, sir.
कब दिए ये?
Sir,
Where from you bought this question?
in Akash,
Text
sir,
book.
objective one.
Okay. Next, any other doubts?
Sir, another question, sir.
Hmm.
Holozoic nutrition, even though seen in all members of Animalia, but some members of this kingdom also ingest solid food particles.
Protista is given.
Yes, sir.
Protozoans, they show ingest mode, no? Taking solid particles. That is ingest-
Sporoprotozoan, sir.
Huh? Protozoan members, any protozoan members, engulfing of the solid particles. Protozoans, they do. Yes or no?
Yes, sir, got it.
And ingest mode of nutrition. Monera show all types of mode of nutrition except ingest mode of nutrition. Ingest means engulfing,
Holozoic.
engulfing of solid particles. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Next, any other doubts? None other students, tomorrow I will explain fungi. Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Thank you
Okay,
so
sir.
much.
Bye, tata, bye bye, see you, prepare
Thank you,
well.
sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Bye,
you,
sir.
sir. Bye.
Syllabus completed. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Thank